Welcome everybody. Check this shit out. So today's gonna be like an unboxing, if you will. I did already unbox the item that we're gonna go over because I had to make sure it was charged, and it sat at customs for a few days, and because of COVID-19 I had to wait for it. I would actually still be waiting for it if I didn't call UPS and tell them that it was a medical device and it's used to measure my oxygen or my air level in my tank, which, well, technically that's true. It's not a lie. So, without further ado, we're gonna go through my box here. Now, this came shipped from where did it come from? Florida. I paid for this, had it sent to me here in the Philippines. Oh, I should probably do this way. And the item in question, I already had that, so I just threw it inside the box, is the Shearwater Nerd 2. If you're not sure with what the Shearwater Nerd 2 is, this is a dive computer. Very expensive dive computer, I might add. I don't know how I'm gonna do this so you guys can see it. Maybe this will work pretty good. I'm trying to use my little tripod thing here. I have tremors really bad, and even though I did take my medication, I'm still shaking quite a bit. So everything that comes in with this thing, like I said, it's very expensive. It's not something that you just run down to your dive shop and 200 bucks later and walk out the door. I paid with shipping, things that it comes with. This is the mount that you use to mount it. This mounts to your, if you see over there, if maybe I tilt this just a tad bit. There's my regulators right there. So this mounts to your regulators. This part right here mounts to your regulator hose that's next to the mouthpiece. You twist this in place and then spin this around like so, and you mount your device inside here, and this way it allows you, it gives you a heads-up display style of computer. Now, I have a previous version made by Aries and Oceanic called the CompuMask. So this is how the CompuMask was, and down in here, you can see right inside here, this is where the dive computer was. Now you can see my finger. All these times I was replacing it and fixing it and keeping it very well maintained. There's a door on it right here on the side here. Has 2 screws. That's holds a battery and a couple other pieces. This finally got stripped out, this one right here. So one day I'll get it apart, and when China is all clear, I will go over to China and have it remade. But as you can see, I took the computer portion of it out. It's in another bag because there was a O-ring style, obviously not a circular, more square, that went around this little piece in here. But when you replaced everything, every year you would do your replacements, take out your batteries and do all that stuff. It didn't come with one to change this one, which made no sense. And if it actually did, it'd probably still be working. So I was so used to this little tiny heads-up display, and I really enjoyed it and liked it. Then I had to go back to a regular computer, and I didn't want to do that. I still wanted to be the cool kid on the block. So decided to, now it's made by Shearwater, so it's just like all the other Shearwater, the Pelagic and the other ones that they have. I don't know the names of all of them, but a lot of my tech diver friends all seem to use them. They all swear by them, say it's the best thing since fried rice. So now I have the same thing. This is the actual device, comes with a little lens cover. We will turn it on here and have a look at it in a moment. This piece I found out is the charger, and how this works is, as you can see, I'm shaking right now because, like I said, I have this tremor is really bad. So you slide that on there like so, click it on, you wrap this little rubber band around here, and it comes with a cable, the USB, what's this, a mini USB port. Plug it in here, and you can plug it into the wall. On the first time, 4 hours to get a full charge on it. After that, it's all good to go. This is a Bluetooth device. So I run a Mac, so Macs already have a Bluetooth in them. Oh, let's see if I can get this out of here. If you don't have a Mac and you need and you're on a regular computer or Android and you want to Bluetooth this to your computer, download your dives, etc., this is the little Bluetooth device that it comes with. This is a power bank. It will fully charge your battery on this 5 times. So you put a good charge on here, which is only 1,000 milliamps, 5 volts input and output. And it says it'll fully charge your battery 5 times. So you just put this on here, grab it like so, take this cable, plug it into here, the USB port, plug it into the mini USB port here. I'm probably going to assume that you click on that button 5 times to turn it on, or hold it until it comes on, and then you let it charge. So this is you know, emergency, you're in between dives and, oh, I don't have enough battery. Most people keep up with their stuff and whatnot, but if you do forget, also comes with a little instruction booklet here, the quality checklist, came with a couple stickers, warning, download and read the manual. I've already done that. This is the quick start guide. Obviously mine didn't turn on right away. So to turn it on, we hold the 2 buttons in on the side, go into the mode. Now you can do this for freshwater, salt water, or EN something, and that is the thing that is used in something used in the European Union. They have some other type of setting. This again goes with the charging adapter on how to plug it in and charge it. How to update your firmware, the Bluetooth connectivity, battery care. So unlike the other Shearwater devices that you can just take a AA battery and change it out, this one is good for, what do they say? They say you should change your battery every 6 months. However, the battery costs $100 and you have to take it to the store, to a shop that can replace them. So, you know, again, you want the coolest product, you're gonna pay some weird thing for it. So, you know, I think I'll just use the battery until it takes a shit, and then I'll just have another one done, ready to go. Now, this one did not come with the wireless Bluetooth adapter here that allows for air integration. This is so I hook it into my first stage on my down there, regulators down there. I hook that into my first stage, and I'll be able to read this off my air capacity on my tank. Now, I don't have a tank here with me. I don't have even a small one, so we'll get into that later. another video. I'll probably end up making a couple videos on this. I can already see I'm all up there on the time, so this will definitely be at least a 2 or 3 part video. Just want to get in here on what everything that it comes with first, and then we'll get into some more stuff. Plus it's so hot in here. It also on here has this little safety lanyard, so you can wrap this around your regulator hose, slip this through here, pull it taut, and then stick it in the holder, and now you're looking at it, and away you go. This way, if it for some reason it fell off or whatever, you don't actually lose it, unless you lose your whole reg set while you're underwater, and you might be kind of screwed. This is the setup for the open circuit mounting. You can also run a closed circuit system off of it, and there's other setups you can do about it. This gives you the instructions on how to set everything up, hooking up to your regulator, some parts in case you need parts numbers. There's some stickers in here, and a little warranty card. Overall though, I'm extremely excited and happy that I'll be able to use this. I can't wait to see what it looks like underwater. And in the next video, I will have it ready, turned on, and we will have a little bit closer look into everything that goes on with this. So we'll see you then. Till then, have a great day. Stay safe and stay home.